WiCyS is short for Women in Cybersecurity. I know it says women, but here's the shocker. WiCyS welcomes everyone irrespective of their gender. So whether you identify as a man, a woman, or any gender at all, you can register to become a WiCyS member. Hi, my name is Elizabeth Ekedoro and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're wondering why you should watch this video to the end, ask yourself, am I looking at pursuing a career in cybersecurity, or do I work in cybersecurity already and looking for a community or organization to be a part of to open me up to diverse opportunities? Then this video is for you. I'm making this video as a result of the questions I have gotten via my LinkedIn, X, and Instagram DM, which is, how do I become a WiCyS member? If you're hearing of WiCyS for the first time by virtue of stumbling on this video, WiCyS is short for Women in Cybersecurity, and it's an organization that has a mission to recruit, retain, and advance women in cybersecurity. I know it says women, but here's the shocker. When I became a member, I realized that WiCyS welcomes everyone irrespective of their gender. So whether you identify as a man, a woman, or any gender at all, you can register to become a WiCyS member because opportunities are open to members only. And here are the perks of being a member. Number one, student or professional communities. For students who are studying cybersecurity in the university, or those who are in the university and want to transition into cybersecurity, there is a community for you. For entry-level, mid-level, senior-level professionals, there is also a community for you. Number two, you have access to training development programs. Number three, you have access to apply for mentor-mentee programs. For the mentees who are seeking a mentor to learn from, you have that opportunity. For those mentors or those who have been in the field who believe that they have learned so much and want to transfer that knowledge, you can apply to be a mentor. You can apply for the virtual or in-person conference which holds annually in the US. I happen to be a beneficiary of the WiCyS conference scholarship that held in Dallas, Texas this year. And number four, you have access to apply for the career fairs or even have access to the job board and a lot of resources, you name it. Now, we're going to dive into the membership registration process. To get started, you can select any web browser and search for WiCyS.org. Here's the home page. You can read up more about the organization. This is the mission, this is the vision, and yeah, there are a lot more information. So, to register as a member, just click here, join us. This is the registration detail. You are going to find different membership categories. So for industry professionals, to become a WiCyS member, you would pay $95. Here are other categories: US government / non-profit. This is what they pay. For faculty or academic, this is what you pay. Active duty, that's those in the military, National Guard, and so on. They pay $20 for annual membership fee. For students, if you have an active student profile, you can actually register. So you pay $20. And then US veteran, this is what you get to pay. US military spouse, if you're a spouse to anyone in the military, this is what you get to pay. I fall under the category of industry professional since I'm not a student. The next thing is to answer this question. Are you 15 years of age or older? So yes. Then you get to input your name, your email, and your last name. I created an account for this because I already have an account. So I'm going to use the account I created. So let's see. So here's my email, mail.com. And we're going to click on continue. Everything you do is going to be tied to this email address, so you want to put an actual email address. So let's continue. Now that you have an idea about the membership category and membership fee, you then go on to select your member level. For me, I chose industry professional because that best applies to me. Don't worry about the conference fee, I'll talk about it in my next video. Next is your account information, your street address. I'm just going to use something hypothetical. My city, I'll use Lagos. My state, first choose a country. So I'll pick Nigeria. So states, Lagos. Zip or postal code, your alternate email. If you have another, you can put that. But if not, you can leave it blank or put your other email. So your gender, what you identify as. Earlier, I mentioned it is available to everyone. So I'm a woman. Your pronouns, for me, it is she or her. Are you Hispanic or Latin? No, I'm not. So this is my category, Black or African American. For every African, this is your category as well. So professional information, that's where I work. I'm just going to put something hypothetical. My job title, SOC analyst. My area of focus, if you are in GRC, AI, audits, anything at all, education, digital forensics. For me, it is incident response. Are you a member of WiCyS affiliate? At the time of my application, I was not a member, so I put no. WiCyS affiliate, that's other WiCyS bodies in your country. Here is, do you want to receive information about any of the following WiCyS affiliates? If you want, you can choose. So I'm just going to choose WiCyS Nigeria. Since I was not a member, I want to know what's happening in the Nigeria WiCyS affiliate. How do you classify yourself? Mine will be industry. If you're a student, you can choose student. If you work for a government organization, you can choose this. If you're in academia, you can also choose this. So for me, it's industry. What is your experience level in cybersecurity? I'm an entry level cybersecurity analyst. So entry level 0 to 5 years, intermediate 5 to 10 years, whichever your category, just select that. For additional information, have you attended any WiCyS conference? If so, which year? For me, when I applied, I had not attended any, so I just scrolled down and I selected none. If you are a new applicant, this is what you should select as well, none. What is your primary purpose of joining WiCyS? So many purposes, right? You can choose just anything. So I'm choosing skill development, training, mentor, mentee, speakers bureau, scholarships. Are you a US veteran or currently serving? No, I am not. These are the terms of use. You can also read these before you accept the terms of use and proceed with your application. Next. If you have a promo code, you can enter your promo code, but if not, you can leave it blank. When I applied, I didn't have a promo code, so I just clicked on next. This is the part where you get to make payment. This is the membership level I chose. This is the amount I'm paying, $95. So you convert that to Naira. That tells you how much you're going to be paying. And then the membership is active for 1 year. You're going to include the street address, the card name, card number. So I'm just going to put the same hypothetical street I used, Austin Street. Apartment to suite, I'll just use something hypothetical too, but you can fill in your information. My city is Lagos. My state, that's where I currently am, is Lagos. Zip code, you can choose. You can check this online and then just choose what your zip code is. My country, Nigeria, and type to make it faster. The name on the card you're going to be using. When I tried paying with my Naira MasterCard, it didn't work. I had to transfer the money to someone who had a dollar card, and that was how payment was made. You can try your Naira MasterCard to see if it will work. If not, you have to find someone with a dollar card, so you can put the card holder's name. It doesn't matter if it's not your name. So I'll just put John Anthony. The card number, I'll just put, insert all the card details. The month and the year, 10/27. Then the CVV, can just put that. Then you click on pay. This is not going because these details don't exist, right? But once you pay, you can click next to continue. So I can't seem to continue because payment has not been made. But this is all you need to know about the membership application. Once you click on next, an email will be sent to you from WiCyS thanking you for registering as a member, and then a link will be sent for you to set up your password. You would also see your username. Your username is the email you used in registering as a member. Then you'd see information about the two-factor authentication. The application they use is the Salesforce 2FA application. You're also going to download that. Just follow all of this process. It's really not hard from here. And these are the opportunities that await you: scholarships, grants and awards, online member portal, special interest groups, skill development training programs, virtual career, mentor-mentee, annual WiCyS conference, speaking and media opportunities, job boards, student chapters, professional affiliates, much more. Here are other information you would need. If you're interested in joining or launching a student chapter on your campus, you can also just click on this link. For affiliates, here's the link, and that's pretty much all you need to know to become a member. I hope this video has answered your question about how to register to become a WiCyS member. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the WiCyS Scholarship Conference. The WiCyS Conference Scholarship. But yeah, the WiCyS Conference Scholarship. Applications are currently ongoing, and I hope that will help guide your application process. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Bye, and see you in my next video.